Hi friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm starting my new vlog after a very long time. So today it's a beautiful evening and I'm going for my evening walk, so I want you guys to join me. We were going for an evening walk, but
प्रोग्राम में थोड़ा चेंज रहने का
after so many intersections, ઇવનિંગ વોક તો અમે કર્યું નથી હજી, પણ અમે ટીમ હોર્ટન્સ લઈ લીધું છે, ટિમ્બિટ્સ એન્ડ ક્રોસન.
One eternity later.
I'm here at Garden Center. I'm in search of a jade plant because I really want that. So let's see I'm getting here or not.
Seconds later.
This is a Venus flytrap plant. They are insectivorous. Look at the leaves. It says it's tropical lip joy.
Later.
Unfortunately, we did not find a plant, so we are going to Home Depot. So let's go. I really love this kitchen setup. It's looking so beautiful, and the best part is this wall. Wow. We are here at Home Depot in appliance section because we are planning to buy a microwave. We already have one, but we want in bigger size, so we are exploring few options. I'm gonna shortlist કરી છે. It says it's coming soon, but I really love this color.